Like, I don't even know what to think about it. Hello babies, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I was going through Instagram and YouTube and all my media channels, and I just found something that I was like, wow, that's weird. Like, seriously, people is doing that? Like, okay, if people is saying it worked, I think I should try it, and I think I should give like 2 different ways maybe we can do this. So I know you don't even know what I'm talking about. She posted a Twitter and she said that she cleaned her beauty blender with water, but she put it on her microwave. Like I don't even know what to think about it, but I really want to try this because I have so much like headaches and everything cleaning my beauty blenders. So everyone who has a beauty blender knows how difficult it is to take your foundation from that thing. Like, OMG, it's like so hard and so difficult. So today I'm gonna try her trick, and also I said why not to leave your beauty blender on hot water for a couple of minutes. My water, it's super hot right now, and I'm gonna use this beauty blender. It's terrible, I know. Like, I don't use this one anymore, but I found it and I said, well, why not? And if something happened to it, I would not care, so it's gonna be fine. I just want to see if this works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my dishwasher soap, and we're gonna see how this is gonna work. Like, I don't even know. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, but well, because this is not going like, oh, hold on guys. I'm gonna use this one, but I'm gonna do it here because it is just like, okay. So I just pour a little bit in there. I'm gonna dip this in here. I'm gonna mix the soap with the water, and then I'm just gonna, let's see. Woo! This is hot, guys. Like, I'm just gonna turn it around, turn it around. When I clean my beauty blenders, it never came out like this. Like, never. Like, Havana, seriously? So I am so surprised and amazed how, like, you can see it from the, wow. I am gonna put this one with water in the microwave, and we are gonna heat it for about like 1 minute. I am so scared to put it there. I don't want my microwave to explode. See, I'm just gonna put some water in it, and we will see. Let's see. So I'm gonna pour water. I'm gonna add my soap in here. Okay, you can see the water right now. So we're gonna put it on our microwave, and let's see what happens. So we are gonna put this for about 1 minute or 1 minute and a half. And I am super scared because I don't know if this thing is gonna explode. Almost there. I just put it 2 minutes to let you know. And let's see. Okay, so we are good here. Okay, let's see. I don't want to burn myself. Okay, guys, hold on. This is too hot. Okay, so I just took it out, and let's see. Ooh, this is hot. Okay, guys, so I just want to let you know that I like toss the hot water and put it in cold water just to cool it down a little bit, because it comes out really hot. So I just took this purple one out from I I think this worked really good. I think, like, I mean, I don't think everything should come out, but it's almost there. Like, it's so much better than when I clean them like regularly, like with soap and my hand and whatever, and struggle a lot to clean it. So I think this worked really good. And right now I'm gonna take, this is disgusting, I have to say. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one from here. Wow, like, I mean, guys, this is so amazing. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing how this hack worked, and I wasn't expecting any good results at all, to be honest, but I have to say they are so much clean than when I clean them regularly with my hands and soap and everything. And look at the difference between this one. Like, what? This is so clean. Like, it's not terrible. Yeah, it's terrible that it's like it's so old, but I mean, like, seriously, I mean, I love it. I love how this hack worked, and I would recommend it you at home to try because it does work. Like, okay, my loves, so I am so happy that I tried this one and it really worked. I'm gonna continue doing this, and if you have any questions, opinions, or suggestions about this video or any video, don't forget to leave them down here on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am so happy. I am working so hard on a lot of videos that I know you're gonna love. And also you can go and check out my Instagram and my Facebook page. You're gonna find a lot of stuff there. So thank you guys for being here with me today. We tried this hack and I love it so much. I hope you love it too, the same as I do. And that was it for today. So I will see you on my next video. Bye!